Okay, now we have to put this little piece of aluminum, it's a part of a heat sink, here on this, but I have a problem. I have to put the nut here, and I already tried several times, and it looks that for me it's impossible. So I can't put this nut and simultaneously do the screw, because it falls down. So we have to find another way. So let's try to use a little bit of Captain. Let's see if it works. Okay, I use this. Okay. I don't know if it will work, but we can try. Okay, so let's put this like this here. Then I go underneath the component. Okay. I try to put this as solid as I can. Okay, maybe like this. No, it doesn't work. Okay, let's try again. Okay, like that. I move this here. Okay, kind of. And then I put this also. I try to keep it this way. And meanwhile, I try to put this. So I would be happy if I can just start doing the screw, maybe one turn till it grips on the nut. Okay, it looks it works. Good. Okay, I did it. Now let's remove this. And then I have to tie the nut. Let's see how I can do it. I don't know how they could do it in the factory. Okay, I put this. I have to bend the circuit a little bit, but just a little bit. Okay. Then we try to close the screw. Okay. Okay, it's enough tight. Okay. Okay. Done.